This is that oil tank. You know, you look at it, it looks like it's in good shape, but it leaked oil all over the floor here. Contractors had to come in, they drilled through the concrete floor here. They went down, and the homeowners say they found contamination at least 7 feet down, and now they say the cleanup here could cost $200,000.
Due with our second baby in a few months, and we don't even know if we'll be living.
This young couple just starting a family faces an uncertain future, all because of the oil tank in their basement.
You know, I could see it coming out of the tank, so I knew it was home heating oil.
Last month, it somehow started leaking, leaving an estimated slick of 25 gallons of oil on the floor.
First day it happened, we were like, well, this is a pain, but you know what? It'll be covered. It's fine. We'll get through it after a few weeks or something.
But Brian and Emmeline Proctor say they soon learned their homeowner's insurance did not cover a leak, and the environmental cleanup that one contractor estimates will cost about $200,000.
My clients almost all have spills that cost over $100,000.
Attorney Susan Crane has represented hundreds of families in similar predicaments, and she says many policies don't automatically cover leaks like this.
I recommend that everyone who has a fuel oil tank take out a special rider that will cover home heating oil releases.
There is a push for new laws to require the insurance coverage, but in the meantime, the Proctors hope their pain can be a warning to others.
If we can get other people to learn about it, they can save their homes and financial state. So that way not anyone who has this happen to them and their lives ruined.
Now, this couple, they had to leave for about 5 days. They're back now, but they've got to run this fan to ventilate the basement 24 hours a day because it does still smell down here. At this point, they've resorted to GoFundMe. They're trying to raise money to help pay for all of this cleanup. We're live in Wareham tonight. John Atwater, WCVB News Center 5.
John, thank you for sharing that story with us tonight.